Vigars and I run the Nook Interiors, a little shop near Bristol selling vintage and handmade homewares and accessories. I also run craft workshops for adults and children who want to try out all sorts of creative things and help bring people together in the local community. The other part of my business is interior styling, where I go into people's homes and give them practical and creative tips on how to create a lovely space that's unique to them. I've always loved interiors and making things since I was a child, and it's always been a dream to be self-employed. I love the flexibility, the fact that I can work around my kids and running a home, and it's just lovely being able to set my own hours and work for myself.